WhatsApp privacy policy that has been introduced after a backlash has extended its date till the 15th of May. However, the issue still remains that if the WhatsApp is going to continue with the way in which it is trying to proceed, which is directly hitting at the privacy and the self-reliance aspect of the Indian citizens. So henceforth, we, as the Free Software Movement of India, appeal to the whole community and the people on the WhatsApp platforms to migrate themselves to safer platforms like Signal, etc. Because we want the WhatsApp to revert, go back and come out clean, that is not going to meddle with the private data conversations that people are having. What has been advertised with the WhatsApp in the media, that is not going to affect or peep into the privacy aspects of the individuals, is false, as it has in multiple occasions in the updated privacy policy and also on the terms and services and other documents that are available in the Facebook's website itself, very clearly state that there is going to be exchange of information between the companies owned by Facebook and the platforms that it is building. So what WhatsApp is, or the Facebook is just asking, is for a blanket acceptance from the citizens of the country, saying that you can do whatever you want with WhatsApp. And India, with all the history of the long freedom movement and the freedom struggle, we believe that we'll be able to hit WhatsApp back, and we want that there is a large exodus of people away from this platform, and this is going to continue unless and until Facebook is tamed and it mends its ways. You have Facebook, you have received your share of treatment when you tried to do something like this and wanted to kill the net neutrality aspect in the year 2015, and the same is going to be repeated in India. Facebook has got only two options: either revert itself and protect the privacy of the individuals, or continue with it and